Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to use the VLOOKUP command. So this command is very useful. Let's say you have a table here. This table is very, for example, long or anything like that, and you need to search something by the order ID. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with VLOOKUP. Just a second. So we look up, and in the open the lookup value, table array, and call index num and range lookup. So the lookup value is the first column right here. So it's this order ID A1 to A6. So what we're gonna do is the lookup value is gonna be, let's say, bananas. So 10250. Then you click comma. After that, it's table array. So it's the range of the table we are going to search. It's A1 to B6, comma. Now we have call index num. So in uh, that part or that function, we are going to either say 1 or 2. So if we say 1, it's gonna only search order ID. But if we say 2, it's gonna search only product, or it's gonna output only product. So what we're gonna do is, of course, we're gonna click number 2, and in the last function, in the range lookup, if we say false, which we're gonna do, it's gonna show us the exact output. So it's the exact same output we put in the VLOOKUP. But if we say true, it's gonna search for similar stuff, and it's pretty complicated, and it's just gonna not work. So you should usually say false if you're sure of your information in the VLOOKUP. So we're gonna click enter, and as you can see, we just got bananas. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.